The biggest fear I hear all the time is, I'm not techie enough to use AI. Here's the truth. AI today is built for everyday people, for you, for me, for our next door neighbor. If you can type a question, you can use it. That's it. No coding, no special training, no complicated software. You need to know how it works behind the scenes? No, you don't. You just need to know what to ask. The more you try, the easier it gets. So don't let the word technology hold you back. You already have everything you need. This is day 7 of the Daily Spark. Let's keep building that confidence together. My name is Nick, and we'll see you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Let me know what your thoughts are.